Jackie here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and it's been a long time since I've done one of those. It's actually from Onedaysaving, and all the products that are in here, you will find the links in the description box below, as well as a discount code for 5% off. And they have amazing products, and I've been missing playing with diamond paintings, so I can't wait to show you what I got. And obviously we're going to be playing with some of these in upcoming videos, so you can see kind of a theme. So I got this here, which is 2 bookmarks, and I love that all their stuff comes with all the products that you need. Like, you have everything to go with for the small projects. You don't need to get anything else. Like, everything is provided for you. So check out the gorgeous butterfly bookmarks. Then there's this here, which has some I'm not gonna pull it out, but you can see the beautiful stickers, so I thought those would be really fun to put on cards. Then some little stickers that would be really cute to put on some kids cards. And then finally a big set of keychains, and I love keychains, and these just reminded me of spring, and I'm anxious for spring to come around because it's dreary, obviously. And it's been really dark in the past few weeks. We haven't had much sun here, so I'm anxious for spring. And I just thought those little frogs were just the cutest little things ever. I really hope that you think so as well, but I couldn't imagine that you wouldn't. I just think they're so adorable. So those are the products that I've gotten from them, and they really ship fast and awesome quality, so highly suggest. And as I said, the kits come with everything that you need, so you don't need to purchase anything else. You just place your order and you get everything that is needed for these projects. I find them very relaxing and just a nice way to zone out and to calm myself, a little bit like you would for puzzles, that sort of thing. So that's it. So go and check them out. Links in the description box below, and I know that a lot of you already have done business with them and really enjoyed the products that they sent you, so I'm sure that and they've got really fun new ones. So that's it. Love you guys so much. Thank you to Onedaysaving for sending these along, and that's it for now. I will see you guys soon with making some of these, playing with some of them. So love you. Bye.